Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. LRE shit, man. He broke boys ain't getting squad. Foo-foo ass nigga. Let's get it. I don't do no talking, I ain't with that flex. FSP shit, you not with the shit, nigga. Stop that flex. LRE bitch. You foo-foo ass nigga. Goofy squad. Let's get it. I don't do no talking, I ain't with that flex at all. You not with the shit, nigga. Stop that flex. For real, got a couple rosters that'll gun you down. Let's get it. Shotters in the cut, knocking shit down. FSP shit, I don't do no talking, I ain't with that flex at all. You not with the shit, nigga. Stop that flex. For real, got a couple rosters that'll gun you down. Let's get it. Shotters in the cut, knocking shit down. I don't do no talking, I ain't with that flex. Locco in the cut, Trey Pound is my weapon. Ready to fire you up for all that disrespect. Should've said what you said. Couple shots, man down, left his brains on the ground, sent his soul to heaven. Let's get it. Hey man, Nick, these niggas ain't making no noise. All they do is gossip with these fuck niggas. Topic all that hate, need to stop it, get out here and get yours. Everybody know LRE, we make it happen. When it come to pistols, you ain't bout that action. Tryna act hard, fuck around and get raw. Now when motherfuckers see you, they be like, what happened? Squad. I don't do no talking, I ain't with that flex at all. You not with the shit, nigga. Stop that flex. For real, got a couple rosters that'll gun you down. Let's get it. Shotters in the cut, knocking shit down. FSP shit, I don't do no talking, I ain't with that flex at all. You not with the shit, nigga. Stop that flex. For real, got a couple rosters that'll gun you down. Let's get it. Shotters in the cut, knocking shit down.
These niggas ain't running shit, but they mouth. That right, we good in any hood, nigga. Fuck you talking about. Fuck you, man. FSP, you got clout. LRE, you got clout. No hands, but you get clapped. For that life, you ain't bout. Cut it out. And we don't do no talking, we just up them weapons. Show like Debo on Friday, we'll take your necklace. Give me that. And we don't do no talking, we just up them weapons. Locco in the cut, you better get the stepping. Squad.
I don't do no talking, I ain't with that flex at all. You not with the shit, nigga. Stop that flex. For real, got a couple rosters that'll gun you down. Let's get it. Shotters in the cut, knocking shit down. FSP shit, I don't do no talking, I ain't with that flex at all. You not with the shit, nigga. Stop that flex. For real, got a couple rosters that'll gun you down. Let's get it. Shotters in the cut, knocking shit down.
Who said you was real, boy? You a fucking clown. Ran in his trash spot, bro. Let Mac pop, now got half a pound. Usually use revolvers, but I like a lot of rounds. Drop the opposition and I shot right out of town. Don't get in your feelings, cause your bitch I'm texting. You know I got horns on head like I'm a Texan. Glock got 30, so you know shit can't get hectic. I got a tick, but I wear that bitch like a necklace.